I am stuck in this car.
We gotta have the fire department. Sit back, sit back.
Mom, what do you think I'm doing? Laying down?
You gotta sit back.
I'm getting hydrophobic.
Wait, you gotta get this. You gotta sit.
I can't sit back any further, Mom. If my whole back's touching the seat.
Move over. Move over.
Mom, you're making it tighter and I can't breathe.
I think we need fire department.
No, what something wrong with the seatbelt.
It's stopping the circulation. You gotta calm down. We
Look.
gotta get through. Oh. Go on. I don't.
You put me in here.
Wait. I gotta get under control.
You put me in here.
You gotta get your arm underneath it.
I don't know how. It's gonna
I
have to be
can't do
cut.
that, Mom. Mom, look. How do I get an arm in there, Kelly?
I am never.
Look out the vehicles.
Wait, I can't breathe or anything. What we gotta do is just gotta relax.
I'm calm.
Can you push his belly out of it?
I don't know.
Taking his car back to whatever his name is, Reggie or whoever his name is, Puffy Darling.
I don't know what you're gonna do, Flint.
Well, you tell me, Mom.
Don't holler. Don't holler. Because you're getting upset.
No, I'm not upset.
I think it's really gonna
You
be.
strapped me in. I told you yesterday the belt was defective,
It's
didn't I?
your body.
It's not.